Hi students, welcome to the session on duality property of Fourier transform. Let us see this important property, right? So it's critical but a very good property. Okay, so the property states that if x of t has Fourier transform of x of omega, then capital X of t has Fourier transform of 2 pi small x of minus omega, right? So this is what duality property of Fourier transform, right? So let us see this property. You see, we know that x of t has Fourier transform of x of omega, right? So if this is the Fourier transform, then Fourier transform of capital X of t, right? The Fourier transform of small x of t is capital X of omega. Then Fourier transform of capital X of t is 2 pi into small x of minus omega. Let us first see the proof, right? So let us start with the inverse Fourier transform equation. We know that x of t is inverse Fourier transform is given by 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to plus infinity x of okay, this is inverse Fourier transform, so it must be x of omega into e power j omega t into d omega, right? Now I bring this 2 pi here, okay, 2 pi, and what I make is I convert t into minus t, so 2 pi x of minus t. So wherever I have t, that I made into minus t, so x of t, x of omega, e power t becomes minus, so 2 pi e power minus j omega t into d omega, right? So this 2 pi will go. Already I brought this 2 pi to the left hand side, so it will go. Okay, now you see it is like a Fourier transform of x of omega, yes or no? So it's like Fourier transform of x of omega. You see, what is the Fourier transform of x of t? Fourier transform of x of t is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e power minus j omega t into dt, right? So here I have to replace omega by t, so it is like d omega, right? So d omega only, right? So we see that Fourier transform of x of t is x of t e power minus j omega t into dt, right? Instead of t, here we see we have x of omega e power minus j omega t into d omega. So wherever we have t, we have omega. So it is like Fourier transform of x of omega, right? Compare this equation with this equation. So it is a Fourier transform of x of omega. So this implies what we are going to do now is Fourier transform of x of omega. So if you have x of omega, Fourier transform of x of omega is 2 pi into x of minus t, right? Now what we are going to do, this is a variable just, so replace t by omega. So wherever we find t, replace with omega, omega by t. So x of t has a Fourier transform of 2 pi into x of minus omega, right? This is the proof. I hope I understand the concept very well. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. So this omega is replaced by t. This t is replaced by omega because t is equal to omega. So we can get this. This is what duality principle. X of t is equal to 2 pi into x of minus omega. So Fourier transform of x of t is this one. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.